everyone. I'm at the beach. You can see it's quite beautiful here. It's nice and breezy. I'm enjoying the waves and the wind and whatnot. As I'm sure you can tell, I'm not actually at the beach. I'm using a Zoom background. You can tell that it's a little bit glitchy at times, but for the most part, it will help students to hide kind of what's happening behind them in their house for the most part. Unless a person walks on, it'll obviously show them as well, but for the most part, they're able to have a little bit more privacy while they're in these meetings. So the best way for students to do this is if they go to where it says stop video here and hit this up arrow, they can choose a virtual background. So right now I'm going to stop my virtual background and you can see that I'm in an office. And what students can do is when they do this, they can either choose a virtual background that is already existing right here. So I was at the beach, be at the Golden Gate Bridge, be in some tall wet grass, wherever I want to be, or they can choose their own. So the best way to do that is they just click on the plus sign right here and hit add image. Now, I don't have any images added on my computer yet, so we need to change that, right? So what we would do is we would go to Google, and I want to be on the Starship Enterprise. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look up Zoom backgrounds and then add Starship Enterprise after that, because a lot of the images that you just find in Google are kind of busy and messy. They might have other people in them. So we want something that has a little less stuff in it. So adding the word Zoom background will usually do that. And then I'm going to choose an image. So in this case, I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to two-finger click or right-click, and I'm going to hit Save Image As. And then I will add this to my desktop for now, and I'm going to call it Starship Enterprise. Okay. Then, when I go back to my Zoom, I can choose my background, and I can add an image. I will choose Starship Enterprise. And now I'm on Starship Enterprise. I went from outer space to inside outer space. And students can do it that way. Okay. Once again, this won't work for students with Chromebooks, but it will work for students with laptops. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.